Ladies and gentlemen, good morning and welcome on GNANGSTUDIO 4D. I make this video to show you how to install this beautiful ROM on your phone. Today, I want to install a new ROM, DeluxeROM 12. Under this video, on the description, you can download this ROM. Firstly, install TWRP on your phone. This ROM is compatible also with the Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. And this is my Note 8. Get ready to install this. Power off. Wonderful. Beautiful. Now, hold 3 tabs to access to TWRP. Busy button, volume up, and power button in the same time. Also, that is good now. Wonderful. On the first link on the description, you will see how to install this on your Samsung Galaxy Note 8. Now, copy this ROM on your micro SD card or on your internal storage. Click on Web, Format Data, and now enter yes, like that, and validate here. Okay, it's good. Home, click on Home, Web again, Advanced Web under, and do this 1, 2, 3, 4. If you have copied this ROM on your beautiful internal storage, don't select this. Okay, for me, I have copied this on my micro SD, and now I can do this. Alright, now click on Home, and now you are ready to install this ROM. Let's do it. Click on Install, select Storage, Micro SD, and OK. Localize now your ROM. This ROM is here, DeluxeROM version 12. Do this, and do this to open. Okay, wait a few minutes. Okay. Okay, this is DeluxeROM. Look at that. DeluxeROM P. This is Android 1 UE. Android 9 1 UE ROM. Now click on Next, and you can see this. This is the last date of the update of this ROM. Now click on Next again, and you can see here the new information about this. Add all of this news in this ROM. Alright, let's do it. Click on Next. And wow, you can select what you want. Okay, let's choose. Okay, click on Next. Magic Root. Can you see this? Okay, next. Skype initial setup. Keep initial setup. Okay, click on Next. Add this application. Click on Next. Install stock version. Using stock S Pen song. Keep stock. Okay. Gmail application, YouTube application, and map. Okay, next. Samsung app, music, calculator, email, and number. And click on Next. And the installation started. Now wait for finishing. Okay, as you see, your phone will reboot. It's normal. When you see the LED here, restoration started. Wait for the finishing. Okay, almost finished. Get ready. Now you can configure your beautiful phone. Choose your language, English. Okay. Click on next.
Let's look at the terms and conditions.
Oh, listen.
Once you read and agree to these, we can really get going.
Okay. Do this.
You can restore the settings and contents from your old device. It will not be difficult.
Alright. Next.
Wi-Fi would be quite handy here.
Okay, let me to put my password right now. Okay, complete. Click on next. Okay. Checking for updates. Checking information. Here you can enter your your Google account. Skype for me. Skype. Next. Accept. No, not now. Okay.
Log in to a Samsung account to get the most out of your device.
Okay, Skype. I will do this after.
All right, we're all set.
Okay, finished. Okay. Click on done. And look at that. This becomes a part of the official version. Look at that. This is one UA Android Pie. Only 9 Pie. Okay. Look at all of this. Beautiful. Settings. Thank you. All of your settings are here. You can do what you want, and it's good. Look at that. Very nice. This is without good luck. It's a good version that you can install. On the first video, you can see all information about this. You can download this ROM and get ready. Settings. Look at that. DeluxeROM settings. And wow, so great and so nice. Okay. Built on March 20, 2019. Wonderful. This is a new home for you. What do you think? I feel like it's simple, it's so fast also, and it's so good. You can test this and say to me what you think about this. You can watch a video. Wow, so great. Okay, pretty good. What do you think about this? Wonderful. There are these views too. All of this for you. Wonderful. I like it. If you like, don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and get ready for the next video.
Hi there. Welcome to the new Bixby.
Thank you. Welcome to the new Bixby. I like it. Okay, subscribe. Look at that before. Beautiful things that you can use to configure your ROM. Okay, all of this are here. Starter bar, notification panel, virtual button, and another. You can test this also. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, and share.